Hello students, welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School Jhansi. Hope you all are fine at home and must be watching the videos sent by the teachers and also must be completing your notebook work sent through PDFs. So today we are going to solve the exercises of the first chapter of your English grammar book, that is New Enjoying Grammar, and the first chapter is Making Nouns Plural, whose video was posted previously on YouTube. So before starting, let us quickly revise. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called singular noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called plural nouns. Let us revise the rules again. Now, let us revise the rules from our textbook. Here it is written, we make plurals by adding s to singular nouns. Example, cat become cats by adding s, lion, lions, owl, owls. But plurals can also be formed in different ways. Let us come to the rules. Nouns ending in s, ch, sh and x add es. Examples, glass become glasses, watch, watches, dish, dishes, box, boxes. Second rule, nouns ending in y, remove the y and add ies. Example, fly become flies, family, families. Next rule, nouns ending in y with a vowel before it, add s. Example, monkey become monkeys, trolley, trolleys. Now, nouns ending in o, add es. Tomato become tomatoes, hero, heroes. Nouns ending in f or fe, change f or fe into ves. Here you can see leaf become leaves, shelf, shelves. Nouns ending in o or double o, add s. Cello become cellos, bamboo become bamboos. Some nouns do not follow these rules. They have a plural, that is different word. Sometimes they have no singular or plural form. These are called irregular plurals. Here you can see the example. Vowel change, woman become woman, foot becomes feet. No change, the plural form of sheep is sheep, fish is fish. New words, person become people, mouse become mice. No plural forms of these words, news, politics. No singular form, pants, scissors, pajamas. Now here you can see it is written exercise 1, which I will be sending through PDF, and you are going to write down the answers of this exercise in your grammar notebook. Let us read exercise 2. Here it is written, complete this table with singular or plural nouns. So here the plural of mango will be mangoes. The singular form of mice will be mouse. Shoe, shoes. Baby, babies. Deer, deer. Scarves, singular form will be scarf. Singular form of flies will be fly. The plural form of cake will be cakes. Let us solve exercise 3. Here it is saying, take the correct word in color in these sentences. The first one is done. The second one, every community has its own. Now, believes, believes. Which one is correct? We are going to put a tick on this. The correct spelling is BELIEFS. The next one, The chefs were given seats in the first row. So here the correct one is chefs. The next one, I bought 2 boxes of sweet for my friend. The correct one is BOXES. The next one, he bought 4 fishes from the market. In my video, I have already said that when there are various types of fishes, then we use the word FISHES. And if it is only of one type, then the plural form of fish will be fish only. So he bought 4 fish from the market. The leaves of this tree have turned yellow. So the correct spelling will be leaves. This monument was built to honor the heroes. The correct spelling will be HEROES. He worked for hours to improve his marks in English. So the correct spelling will be HOURS. I took several photos of my classmates during the picnic. So the correct spelling will be PHOTOS. You must change your glass because they look dirty and damaged. So the plural form will be glasses. Towards exercise number 4. Here it is saying, circle the correct plurals in these sentences. Correct the incorrect one. The first one is done. Second, the bullock cart was pulled by 2 oxes. The plural form of ox will be oxen. OXEN. Next, mangoes grow on trees. The correct spelling will be MANGOES. Fourth, the police caught the thieves. The spelling is correct. Fifth one, chimneys let out smoke from the rooftops. The correct spelling is CHIMNEYS. Sixth one, very young children are called babies. The spelling is correct. 7. Dictionaries are now available in electronic form also. Spelling is correct. 8th one, I bought a couple of sandwiches for lunch. The spelling is correct. Now 5th exercise, here it is saying complete these sentences with the plural forms of the nouns in the bracket. Now here I will be sending this image through the PDF, and this exercise you also need to write down in your grammar notebook.